time for another Pinky Pink Wednesday video. I have to say thank you so much for tuning in to another Pinky Pink Wednesday episode. Today on this Pinky Pink Wednesday, we are going to take a look at Winter Wonderland, Rainbow High, Pink Extreme, BellaParker. Okay, y'all, let's take a closer look at her box and everything. Just look at her cute little face that we're gonna get into soon. Here's the surprise type stuff. It says stretch it, mold it, puff it, her little dress. I'm not gonna do that, but it's there. And then it says color reveal outfit. Love the box art. It is so stinking cute and so blush pink, my favorite. It says Rainbow High, Winter Fantasy over here, the little snowflake motif, and then BellaParker here. And then on this side, it's just clear where you can see through with the rainbow. And then on this side, it says her name, BellaParker there. And on the back here, it has the whole lineup. It has Violet, Skylar, Sunny, and Bella with a cute snowman and all this cute Winter Wonderland stuff and vibrant, cute coloring with the sparkles. Love that. Here's the barcode if you want to try and pick her up for yourself. So there is her lovely self inside the box for you to see. From this point, I'm going to take my trusty scissors here that I always use and bust this poor Bella out of her box jail. So the next time you see her, she'll be all debox jailed. Yay! All right, y'all, here she is. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful Bella out of her box jail. Yay! First, just to get it out of the way, there are a ton of instructions. So I'm just going to go real quick. And if you want to pause and read them or whatever, you're welcome to. And here is the second sheet because apparently with this doll, you need 2 sheets of instructions. And here's the back with all the stuff. So much craziness. Now let's get on into the good stuff. This thing here, this pinky loveliness with all the little snowflakes, so cute. You apparently fill this up, it's like a stopper thing, with water and then poke it into the holes on the skirt there, and that's what makes the color change. I am not gonna do that, but I guess this is a cute accessory thing to have. And then there's these little cardboard cutout pieces so that you can make your snowman, and I think this makes slime, this packet here, and you're supposed to put it in the snowman. Again, I'm not gonna do that, but I thought I'd show it to you because it came with the doll and it's cute. Now, this pink loveliness is apparently sand. I read the instructions, and you're supposed to sculpt a snowman out of it, and you're supposed to take the little guy over there, which I'll show you in a minute, and make the snowman. But that's what this is all about. I'm not gonna do that, but I'm gonna keep this because it's pretty and it's blushy pink, which is my favorite. Here's her sparkly pink blushy comb, which I love. Those pink sparkles anyway. I could do without the comb. I don't really use these, but this one is pretty. Now here is the cute little snowman mold thing. I taped this from the packaging. This was in the packaging, as you saw at the beginning, over the snowman to give you an idea of like how you can decorate it yourself with the little cardboard cutout pieces. But I just took some tape from the packaging and taped it to it so I wouldn't have to do any of that and so you guys could get the idea. But I am disappointed that the little flapper on the bottom, it won't stay shut. So I had to take a piece of tape and tape that as well. If you want to see, no matter what I do, it just won't stay. It's really, really loose. So I put the piece of tape on it to hold it. So I don't know how good that would work trying to do slime or whatever, but it's cute and it's pink, and I'll probably do something with it other than what it's intended for and use it with the dolls. She also comes with these wintry pink like sunglasses, you know, for winter time, you know, when you're like skiing and stuff. It says RH on the sides and it's white on the sides, and then the glasses part is pink. Probably won't put these on her. I wouldn't display her with these because she's like in a fancy dress, and I just don't think these go, in my opinion, as a dolly collector and how I like to display my stuff, but they are cute. I might use them with another doll and style them up. And then she has this adorable little, I'm going to say hot cocoa mug because I like hot cocoa and I don't care for coffee, but I do like tea. And it's super cute. Probably my favorite little accessory that she comes with as far as the little things go. And it says RH on the side there, and it has the little hand holder thing, which I love. Nothing on the bottom, but super cute, super teeny, and pinky pink. last little accessory is her purse here. It's just kind of plain. I don't understand the shape very well. I think they mean for you to be able to put something inside because it does have the slit there in the top, and it is kind of soft-sided where if you pinch it, it might come open, but I haven't been able to like get anything but a fingernail down in that hole. I do like the pink sparkles and like the faux pearl for the handle, but it's not my favorite. It's not the worst either. It's just kind of plain. I might like do something to it to make it more, I don't know, more spectacular because she's kind of pretty and fancy and this is just kind of plain. And now, drum roll for the main event, Pretty Bella. First, just real quick, I want to show you her doll stand in the beautiful blushy pinky pink with the sparklies, and it has a different kind of waist clip for her. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, there you can tell. It's wider because her outfit is big, which I absolutely appreciate that as a dolly collector. That is awesome. Here she is, ha ha. Beautiful, soft, lush, lovely pink, extreme Winter Wonderland BellaParker. I love her face and this like smattering of pink, like when you get cold in the wintertime and your face gets a little pink in this area from the wind and the cold hitting it. It's just adorable. A lot of people might not like that. I do. I love the smattering of little stars and dot like freckle things, and she does have some iridescence to her skin, which is super pretty to me. What we're gonna do is show you her hair here. I like to show you guys straight out of the box what it looks like, and this, I am happy to say, is what it looks like. Look at this. Luscious, lush, and kind of a berry pink tone and a little bit of tinsel and these little barrel curls, and then her little updo here with the 3 braids up in the half up, a half down pony. So super cute. See the definition in the top piece and the lower piece. There are a couple strings, but that's gonna happen with any hair type, especially with a curly one. And I'm happy to say, so happy to say, she only has product right here on this side and right there on that side to about there. The rest of these curls are soft, luscious, lovely. Like I said, I think she has 3 tones in her hair simply because she has the tinsel there, but she has this darker berry tone and then this lovely pinky pink, my absolute favorite blushy pink color. Super pretty. Now, these curls do need some attention. A couple little strings are gonna need to be trimmed off, but for the most part, I do have to say her hair is beautiful and I really love it. It is so spectacularly soft. Wish you had touch-o-vision so you could feel how lovely and soft these bouncy curls are. Here we go. See how long? It's almost down to the bottom of her skirt, her hair is, and I love that too. It's so pretty. Just look at how luscious all those curls are. Love it. Hair definitely gets a 10 from me because it's so pinky pink. Loveliness, pink extreme. Yay! We kind of spoke about her face, but I'm gonna do more detail. I love the eyebrows. These are a different shape, I think, and they ombre from lighter to darker. She has the violet eyes with the kind of turquoisey blue in it with a little bit of pink striping, beautiful eyelashes, and she does have, a little bit of makeup there, not much, really pretty. She has the winged eyeliner like they always do. Again, we talked about this, the little blushy blush cuteness on her face there. So adorable. Love it. And her lips are so pretty to me. I love that they're more berry colored in the middle and then they go lighter and then they have the little black line and then the little bit of white teeth showing. Super cute. There were a lot of these and I chose the one that I liked the best face wise because this was different on a lot of them, and so was the lips. Some of the lips were really pale. You could barely see any coloring in them. So I picked this one because I liked her face the most, and I've told you guys I'm a face collector, so if the face gets me, that's what I'm concerned with most. The outfit is secondary. The hair and the face are number one, but the face is over the hair, if that makes any kind of sense, how I go about collecting and what speaks to my fancy as a doll collector and my doll collector heart. Now, she does have space for earrings, but no earrings on this girl, so definitely want to get her some earrings or make her some earrings. And when I turn her, you can see more of her iridescent pink eye makeup there. It's harder to see when she's straight on, but from the side you can definitely see it, and it's super pretty. She's definitely prettier in person than she is coming across to me on camera, for sure. Next, I'm gonna talk about her cute little jacket here. I love this. I know this pleather stuff doesn't hold up very good, but it's so pretty when it's new. It really is, and it's the perfect pink shade. Love, love, love it. It has lots of detailing on it. Everything is hemmed. Good stitching, love it. I am gonna take it off of her and give you a closer look, but I'm just showing you it on her as of now. These are just faux. Don't try to zip them, you'll break them. They're just faux little zips, but they're super cute. And she has one on each side, and then she has one going up the front, as you can see behind her little jacket tie there. But they're all just faux, just for looks, but they do feel like actual zipper material, which is nice. And you can see the jacket is fully lined and everything from this point. Like I said, I'm going to take it off, but it also has this where it goes into the little belt buckly thing over here for closure. I don't know if that will fit, but it looks like it is actually functioning. We'll see once I take it off of her, but it's super cute. And then here's the back. It's just plain. And as you can see, like I said, very well hemmed all the way around. And she has the two little dots there that look like faux buttons on the little sleeve cuff. Super duper cute. Love the jacket. Okay, here is the cute little jacket off of her in more detail. They have tacked down the collar here off to the side, so that is stationary, but it does have the little faux button there. It's like that on both sides, and then you can see the hemmed collar really nice, and it's all finished and lined on the inside. Love, love, love that. Here are the sleeves. Super, super cute. Love this. I did try to do this, and it's too fat. It won't go through there. Like, I tried to poke it through, and I don't want to ruin it. So I don't think that's functioning. I think it's just for looks, but hey, maybe one of y'all can do it yourself. But there is what the cute little jacket looks like off the dolly. Now we can take a closer look at her under like hoodie shirt. This is really cute, y'all, and it's really soft. I thought it would be prickly because of like the foiling that's within the fabric, the sparkly stuff, but it's not. It's super duper soft. Again, if you had touch of vision, you'd be able to see how soft it is. And it has these are just for looks, but they look like little diamonds, her like pulls that are supposed to be part of the hoodie here. It says Rainbow High on the top, and it has this faux like bustier kind of detailing on the bottom of the little hoodie. Everything is finished and hemmed very well at the collar and at the sleeve cuffs here. Super duper cute, as you can see. And in the back here, it has the way to open it with the soft Velcro we like, and then the soft Velcro in the back to open up this sort of hoodie type shirt she's wearing. Super duper cute. Love the color. Love everything about this. Now let's look at her skirt here. I do like it, but I don't like the color things inside of it. Like, see here, these are the holes I was telling you about that you're supposed to put the water in with the little plunger. You're supposed to poke it in there and fill it up. I'm definitely not going to do that. Don't care for that. And if anybody knows a way to get this stuff out of here without wrecking it, please let me know, because I don't want this stuff to like do something weird over time, and I don't want to do the colory thing with the water and activate it. I just want it out of the skirt so that I can have it for display. But since we're back here is the skirt closure in the back, and it has the little crotch catcher so that it doesn't go up. And I love that they have the little detailing here on the top of the skirt that matches the little jacket with the cute pink pleather and the little like dots there that are supposed to look like buttons or belt loops or something. Super duper cute. Now this material I thought was gonna feel very weird, and it does feel strange, but I like it. This topper material, this plasticky stuff, but this stuff underneath, oh my goodness, y'all. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, it's so iridescent and pink and just beautiful. I would love to have a big piece of this to make something out of for the dollies, like a spectacular pink ball gown. This is gorgeous. Love it. And this, obviously, since it's plastic, is just cut, no sealed, no hemming of any kind, but this underpiece is hemmed beautifully. Shoe time. Let's talk about her shoes. These are adorable. I love these. I love that it kind of looks icy, the like pink platform wedge there, and that this part kind of looks like pearlized with the little white painting. I would like if the painting was better. You can see that it's not perfect. I don't expect it to be perfect, but I don't expect it to be blobby or like offset either. And it kind of is. It's kind of like a little off piece there, which I'm gonna try and get off and make it nicer. I might repaint these where it's white and make it more neat, but But otherwise, there's the bottoms. Forgot to show you those left and right. But like I was saying, otherwise, I do really like these shoes. They are cute, and I think they're a new mold. I don't think I've seen these before, but I could be wrong. So you can let me know in the comments, but I love, love, love these pinky pink shoes. All right, now I'm gonna show you her articulation. She has the down, up, side, side, all around neck joint that I love. That's probably my favorite point of articulation. She has no wrist joint, but she does have the elbow joint and the up, down, in, out, side, side 360 there at the shoulder. She does not, which is hard for me to show you because this skirt is real stiff, but she does not have the upper thigh articulation that they used to have, but she does still retain the double jointed knee joint there. So there's her articulation, super duper cute. No upper body either. I did check that, no upper body, but she can sit as well. So there's all of her articulation. I did want to say I really like her little insert backdrop that was in with her, so I'm definitely keeping that. And there was 2 of these snowflakes. This one is a full snowflake. The other one is like half. It's like cut off and straight there, but I'm definitely keeping these. These are so cute and hollow. Love them. So for me, as a dolly collector, I'd give her like a 9.5 because there are some things I'm not real happy with and that I don't care for, like the weird stuff that's in the skirt. Don't care for that. I don't like how stiff the skirt is, but I do like the shape. I do think it's cute. I just wish I could get the stuff out of it without harming it. Wish she still had her wristy articulation. Otherwise, I'm not mad at the articulation that she does have. I think it's enough. But this doll is $30. She's $29.99, so I'm not sure. She does come with a lot of stuff, but a lot of the stuff I'm not really into. As a doll collector, I just had to have her because she's so pink, and I loved her face, and I loved her hair. The hair gets a 10, face gets a 10, outfit gets like a 9 for me, is how it works. So if you want to go for that, and then the accessories, about an 8 for like all the accessories as a whole, because I don't really care for a lot of this stuff, and I probably won't use most of it. But overall, she's a definite thumbs up buy for me because I obviously got her because I wanted her and I didn't wait for her to go on sale, which I usually do. But she was just so pink and so pretty. So my pinkaholic self had to grab her up. So there is beautiful Winter Wonderland, Rainbow High, beautiful pinky pink BellaParker. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you've been with me to this point in the video, I have to say huge, huge hugs and dolly love to all you wonderful watchers and subscribers out there. Y'all are the best. And I also have to say thank you, thank you, thank you so much for being with me and for watching, y'all. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great, great, great dolly day, and that all the good, best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly, truly hope they will. I have to say, great, big, huge, huge Pinky Pink Wednesday subscriber love to all you wonderful, lovely subscribers out there. I can never say enough just how much it means to me that you come along, hit that button, boop, and say, we want to become part of the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here. I have to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so, so much for literally everything, y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, y'all. Come and join the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here together, which grows by the day because of y'all coming along, wanting to see all the dolly goodness, all the dolly silliness, and all the dolly loveliness that we get up to here. I do my best to give you a fun and safe, happy dolly space where we all can come together and share in all the dolly goodness and let our dolly collector hearts just have fun in all the dolly loveliness. So if you want to become part of the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family we have here, come along and join us because we would love to have you. And as I always say and mean in every single way, absolutely everyone, no matter what you're into, is always, always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it. We made it through another episode of Pinky Pink Wednesday with BellaParker, Rainbow High Winter Wonderland girl here. Hope you enjoyed it. And you know what I'm gonna say. Happy, happy dolling, happy dolly day, and bye, y'all.